Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to withdraw Bitcoin from your Coinbase account. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Coinbase application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see you can go ahead and sign into your Coinbase account. So what you want to do guys is go ahead and sign into your account, and after signing in, you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application, where you can see at the bottom of the screen all the sections that you can access, such as home, you can see your assets, your trade, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to withdraw Bitcoin. So guys, the first thing we have to do is go ahead and look at the sections at the bottom of the screen and click on the My Assets section. So guys, go ahead and click on My Assets, and after clicking on My Assets guys, it's going to go ahead and take you to the page where you can go ahead and click on the crypto that you want to withdraw. So guys, just go ahead and click on Bitcoin, and after clicking on Bitcoin guys, you can see this will take you to this page where you can either select to buy Bitcoin, but we want to go ahead and select sell. Click on sell guys, and then you want to enter in the info how much money you want to withdraw, from which currency you can see Bitcoin to cash, and after you're ready guys and you have filled out all the info, just go ahead and click on preview sell and then confirm your sell guys, and after that you'll successfully withdraw Bitcoin, enter it into money. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.